actually freezing cold. I'll do these in January. Ugh. Hi guys, welcome to another Thank Truck. It's Friday. You join us here on a cold December morning. It's been Christmas. It hasn't yet when we're recording this, but when you watch this video, it's been Christmas. So I hope you had a great Christmas and I hope you're looking forward to New Year. So what we thought we'd do is walk you around a couple of these Actros 5s we've been fitting up. I'm sorry if I jump around. I am absolutely freezing. We have installed on these our IAM air management system, which is the spoiler on the top there. It's a high volume kit. These ones are set at 4.3 meters and I'll adjust all the way up to 4.7, which is what the operator required. We'll show you the adjustment system in just a second. We've got our new X-block wheel chocks, which I'm going to show you how those work. There's a chassis infill on there, and these trucks have also been fitted with a camera system by a third party. So we'll just show you quickly where they're positioned, and yeah, we'll get into it right away. So here we have the X-block. The idea behind X-block is it's a full-size HGV wheel chock, fully regulated as you would expect, but it's two chocks in the space of one. So what we've done here is we've made a nice little chassis mount bracket. This comes complete as a kit, goes off the existing chassis mount points. Nice strong bit of metal there. You pull the pin out, chock slides off the end of the bracket, they're nice and tight, and then, as the name suggests, it opens out into an X, into a full-size chock. It's got all of the usual grip on the bottom as you would expect. Nice solid piece of aluminum through the middle as well that will dig nicely into the ground. They're fully tested and rated to the EU standard, and yeah, I mean, there's not much more you can say about a wheel chock, but the main point is two chocks in the space of one, half the weight of two chocks again as well, so it all adds up. You know, these things weigh probably half a kilo. A regular wheel chock probably weighs a kilo, so it's taking down half of the weight. And again, nice and easy for the operator to use. Slides back on, and then you just replace the little R-clip that it comes with, and away you go. Okay, so as we move around the side of the vehicle, we've got our chassis infill, which you've seen on 2 or 3 videos by now, but we'll show you quickly again. Just fills in that gap there on the chassis. This particular operator wanted it just for an extra bit of health and safety there for the driver. Can climb up nice and safe, connect his Suzies, and if he does step back, he's not going to step through the chassis there. Then we have our air kit, which again, you've seen a few of these. This is our manual adjust system. So on the back there, there's the 2 knobs, as you can see. There's a set of tracks on the back of the ears as well, where you basically loosen those knobs off, push it, which releases a clip, and it allows you to clunk it up the different height settings that you want. You can adjust one side at a time, so you can do it, you know, on your own if you're an engineer. Pop your ladder on there nice and safe on the catwalk, won't slip, and just knock each side up and then tighten the bolts up. Or similarly, if you've got a gantry, it's really easy with 2 of you. We've also got additional safety retraining straps on there. Not that anything has ever happened, but they are there for additional security, just in case there is an accident and the blade becomes loose at the back. It's held on by some high tensioning straps as well. The whole air kit, again, colour matched in Mercedes white. We've got a hinging upright here, which you can open up. Additional grab handle here, which we've manufactured as well to make it nice and easy for the operator to get up. You can release the steps. 3 points of contact ideally, not always possible on a side entry here, but you have got a nice solid grab handle to get up nice and safe to the catwalk, and then access where you need to access. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, the air kit is set at 4.3 meters at the moment. The adjustment field takes it up to 4.7, so there's a nice big adjustment there. That's why the blade is so deep and the ears are so tall, just to make sure we get that optimum airflow for all the different trailers these trucks are going to be pulling. I'll jump down off here, we'll take a wander around to the front of the truck, and we'll just briefly show you the cameras that are on here, and yeah, we'll sum it up from there. Okay, so just as the rain starts to fall here, we're getting a bit wet, so we're going to try and be quick if you don't mind. This truck has been configured with a 2-camera system. There's a near side camera here, which you can see here on the side on the dirt deflector, which looks straight down into the blind spot. There's a screen on the inside of this vehicle as well, so when the driver indicates left, it becomes full screen, shows him his blind spot. He's obviously got the mirror as well, but you've got the additional coverage there of a camera. And there's also a forward facing camera. You can't really see it, but there's a little bullet camera here which obviously faces out and records what's going on in front of the vehicle. Doesn't come up on the screen, doesn't need to, because obviously the driver has a nice big piece of glass in front of him to look through, but it does record every event that happens. So yeah, so that's basically it on this one. It's a nice little short one, but again, one of my, in fact not even one, my favourite truck, Actros 5 with the MirrorCam, the lovely headlights, is still one of my favourites. IM air management kit, X-block wheel chocks, chassis infill, camera system, fitted here at Kuda, fully type approved as well. Going out to another big fleet, we've done a lot of these, and yeah, that's it basically. So thanks again for watching. Please like, subscribe, check the website for anything else that you have questions on, and I'll catch you in the new year. Have a great new year. See you soon.